Hey guys, I'm back again. So, you might know this guy. He's DJ12Lamb. He's my friend IRL. He helps me with some of these videos. But I make a lot. I'm probably the main person of the channel, honestly. But look at him. Why is he good though? Also, he became friends with cool dudes too. So he's helping me out here. He's not with me IRL. He just sends me videos, to do because like I met him IRL, but like COVID and stuff. So yeah. He said he can help me out. He said like, yeah. He said he's gonna help me out. And so what? I think he's talking. I'm gonna make a honey storm. Okay, what? I wonder what he's doing. What the heck would a honey storm be? That sounds awesome though. Go in a field. Okay. So, what does he want? I don't think he spelled field right. Noob. Nah, just kidding. He's a good person. He helps me out with this, so. Honey storm. What the? Honey! Oh my gosh. What? There's so much. What the? A ticket? Even tickets? Tickets are good. I use that on this like thingy. Another one on this thingy, and then the third one too. This is crazy. This is great. I'm getting so much honey. Look, look at it's all adding up. This is crazy. Okay. This is awesome. Awesome. Thanks, dude. Okay. Oh, he said come. He said come. He said come. Oh, I guess I should go. Also, try to ignore the noise in the background. You have clippers right. Yeah. Yes. Yes. See. Okay. Clip this. Oh, I already did. I did. It's a boss. Boss, right? It's a chicken. It's pretty hard. Oh yeah. Try it. What level? Oh, what do you mean? What do you mean? Like, I don't know. Let me check. This is parkour, easy parkour. I did some stuff off camera. Level. Oh no, I got it. Oh yeah, I learned that you don't actually have to hit things from the vicious beat. That my bees actually sting them. See that? Oh, my bees aren't missing any. Oh, that's blocking. Level 3, because like numbers get censored. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Ow. Dodge it. I can help. He can help. Oh no, my bees. Let me bees. Oh no, I'm typing. Oh no, this is bad. Alright. I'll just go over there. Over there. What the? There's two. Why? Why are there two? Oh. Oh, one died. This is cool. Whoa, bitter berries? Alright. Thanks. Thanks. One last gift. Okay. He's sending me one last gift, I guess. So, okay. I wonder what it is. I wonder what it is. So, I guess. Oh yeah, there's these things. These are sprouts. I'll collect this after recording, probably. But he wants me to follow him, I guess. Oh no, there's a spider there. There's a spider. It's pretty dangerous. Oh God, look! Yeah, look, he's avoiding it. Come on, go away, spider. Oh. Okay. Oh. Okay. Oh, look, I already had one though. Thanks. Okay, and this is gonna take a long time because I may have got. What the? He's destroying it so quickly. What are you doing? What then? Get rewards. Oh, there's royal jelly. Royal jelly. Yes, I got some. Oh, there's honey too. So much of it. I'm getting rich. This is crazy. Okay, I got pineapples and stuff. Yeah, this guy's on my channel. He might make a. I don't think he doesn't really want to do a Beast One vid on his thing, but he's a good person. So yeah. All right. Thanks. There's another royal jelly. He's not even getting the rewards himself though. Oh, he's there. Okay. Okay. So oh, he has to go. Bye. But that stuff is crazy. He's like, good. Dang. Alright. So, yeah, there's a spider in this field. It's crazy, though. And, like, it's hard to beat. You get so many rewards from that. I got 2 royal jellies. Those rhino beetles, though. I don't like these guys. There's 2 of them in this one field, which is, oh, yeah. But this is panda, dangerous creatures. They have to be tough. I'll put them to defeat a ladybug. Okay, I'll do that. But so also before he said look for the 2 big flowers there, and like there's like some secret wall or something, so that you can go through and fight like something. But don't do it until you're good. I think I'm good now, cause look. My bees are level 4. They can basically take on anything, because I'm just god tier now. Alright, oh here. There. See, I saw that. That's what I saw. Oh yeah, that's like the vicious bee. But what the heck is this guy, though? Like, what the heck? He's level 7. I saw those 2 big flowers that had that weird patch thing. So, so at first I messed up there, but then he told me it was over there. Before I started recording, so I was like, yeah. Anyways, see that? That's the vicious bee spike. It's also a hard boss fight. See, there it is. Look, it's level 2. Also, you get 5 extra stingers for a daily bonus. Oh, what is? It's a bottle thingy. Let me look. What's that bottle? Is it red extract? Oh, I can use it for more red pollen. I'll use it in the mushroom field. Also, I found the blue flower field over there. So it gave me a daily bonus of 5 extra stingers, so that's cool. I just gotta kill this vicious bee. How's my backpack? What? How's my backpack like that? How do I have more power than Max? And this guy is good too. He has the same collector as my friend. Alright, kill the vicious bee. Alright. So, I'll just take down a Sprout afterwards. Hope you had a nice time watching. Bye.